Yo, what's going on, guys? TG here, back with another video. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I know I did, but I'm very glad that the market is back and roaring. And roaring it is, in fact. Dow Jones gaining 0.88%, S&P gaining 1.6, and the Nasdaq gaining 2.56 today, led by the Apple freight train that has just been absolutely tearing it apart. And so glad that I lost my Apple at 115. Very happy about that. Made a dumb decision, and it obviously cost me a couple $1,000s. But Apple, as you can see, up 7% almost today. Just absolutely flying. Basically everything in the market, Russell, VIX, just everything up. Big amounts today. And, the NASDAQ posts its best day in an entire month. So, things are running pretty well and things are going good. I have my 6 shares of Amazon, so we gained about $956 today in appreciation from that. But other than that, there was not really much to do. As you guys can see, I sold one American airline put for 12.5, and I got $20 for it. And then I sold two Ameren puts, and I got 8 per for that. So, not really a good day at all, because there's just nothing much to do. And that's the whole topic of this video. Sometimes there is just nothing to do in the market, and the best play to do is nothing. You don't want to buy into the hype. You don't want to chase something that has already happened, a run up that, you try to catch it at the very end and, you end up getting burned from it. So don't do that. Really think about the plays you're going to be making. Think about what it's going to entail and what you can do, to get it good. So, you look at charts and stuff like that when you want to enter a position. I like to look at RSI. And you can see that on here. If you have Robinhood, you can see that, towards the end of the day, it was very overbought, way overbought up here. Then it went back down. It's normal. And then at one point in the day when it was dipping, it was actually oversold technically by a little bit. But, use that chart to really help yourself out and find good entry points. So that's exactly what I do. But you know what? Sometimes there's just not any plays to make today. And, I initially, like I said, I wanted to get an AMD when it was low, but AMD never went red for me. It didn't even go down that much. The beginning of the day would have been my best opportunity when it was right here 5 minutes into the market. And then the second I was looking at it, it's already up another $1. So, sometimes there's just not much to do about it. So it's one of those days where you just, you can't really make any plays and you just sit back and watch. And, I let my 6 shares of Amazon make some money for me, but, nothing really else to do. All the sectors are doing pretty well today, except for the airlines that went down a little bit. Other than that, not much, guys. The S&P advancing a lot. TNA's back up to 40. American Airlines down a little bit. Like I said, that might be our only play this week is, selling a couple cash secured puts on American Airlines. Because other than that, I don't see another play to make. We also sold Hibbs this morning for a nice gain, about $80 gain, so not much. As you can see, we sold at $4.55 and it's sitting at $4.46. So made some good profit on that. Got the highest of the day actually. So, wish I had more shares than 600, but oh well. But yeah, guys, that's the whole topic of this video. It's just, don't ever feel like you have to make a play every single day. I mean, I know I want to. I want to be able to, sell puts every day or sell calls or do something, but it's really not plausible or possible either to do every single day. Sometimes you just can't. And I don't want to chase something. I don't want to do something that I'm not good at. But, sometimes you're forced to just sit back on the sidelines and not do anything. And that's exactly what I did today. Just sat back and, watched. And it stinks watching, but you know what? Sometimes you have to do that because, like I said, you don't want to chase a trend. And tomorrow's going to be a big day. The main one I'm watching is Citigroup. Citigroup has their earnings come out tomorrow. And, I'm hoping that they do really bad on their earnings and it goes down big and then I can get some cheap shares because that'd be fine by me. So that's what I'm looking forward to do. But that's about it, guys. Sometimes there's just not plays to make. And that is the whole point. You don't want to chase something. Too many times I hear, hey, maybe I should get into this. Maybe I should get into this. And, it's like, okay, well, they're kind of on a big run and, maybe you don't want to get into this. And, you just don't want to chase trends. That's the whole point. You don't want to chase because chasing can lead to, getting caught bag holding a stock at a very high price. And then you're just waiting forever. A perfect example of this is our buddy Nikola. And if you look at Nikola's chart, it's actually incredible what it has done. It went from $33 up all the way to $94 at its height. $94. And then just straight back down. Like it's actually incredible, that the chart for Nikola and the absolute insane run it's had. Like RSI literally hitting, you know, towards the top of the top, up 99.95, like up insane. And then obviously it gets oversold a little bit right here, and then is slow to send down. So I don't know what that company is going to entail. I have no idea, to be honest, but I'm going to stay away from it just because I don't trust it and I don't like to make plays I'm not confident on. And that's another thing, guys. If you don't know an area, don't invest in it. Like if you don't understand it, don't just do it because other people are doing it. Or maybe you heard a YouTuber or someone talk about it. Like you guys got to do this information and research on your own and find the best possible choice for you. And use your own risk tolerance and what's most comfortable for you. If you're comfortable losing this amount of money, comfortable putting this much up, like for example, CVM, this is a a 50-50 shot. I'm either going to lose $6,300 or I'm going to make like $50,000. Like there's no in between. And I'm fine taking that risk because I trust in it and I think it is going to do good. And I've done a ton of research on this company and I think it will do good. So we'll have to just see what happens. But, that's a risk I'm willing to take and I'm fine doing that. So, it's one of those things you just got to decide for yourself, honestly, because that's in the end, that's what it comes down to. It's like, don't chase it because other people are doing it. Really think about it yourself. Like, this is your money on the line. This should be your own research that you're putting in. Neither of us, I'm not a financial advisor. These other YouTubers aren't financial advisors. They just, we just do what we think is right for our own interest. And if it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But at the end of the day, it's your guys' money and you should follow your own heart and your own ideas and due diligence and, see where it goes. But anyways, guys, that's about all for this video, honestly. I just wanted to go over with you guys, the little 3 plays I made today and, telling you, you don't have to make plays every single day. You can sit on the sidelines. It's totally fine. Sit back, wait for your right opportunity and strike. But at the end of the day, it's up to you guys. And I hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, remember to like and subscribe. We hit 600 subscribers. So thank you very much to everyone who has subscribed. I really do appreciate it. And leave a comment down below what plays you're making, if you made money today, if you lost money today, and just how everything is going. So anyways, guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye.